talk to a kangaroo? Who's always ready to learn about something new? Whose favorite book has all the animals you could wish? Who's proud to say his best friend is the fish?
That's right, it's my man Stanley.
Oh yeah, it's my man Stanley.
Welcome to Stanley's World. Come help him figure out what life is all about. Who takes you swimming with dolphins? Laughs with the lion too. No problem Stan can solve. It's all that it involves. Having a friend like you. Having a friend like you. It's Stanley. It's Stanley.
With a friend like you.
It's Stanley. It's Stanley.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Stanley.
Do you know a guy who talks to a kangaroo? Who's always ready to learn about something new? Whose favorite book has all the animals you could wish? Who's proud to say his best friend is the fish?
That's right, it's my man Stanley.
Oh